Many of you know that I have made 5 predictions that lead us into 2030, but I want to recap it because it's been a while and I kind of separated them into different videos. And I was reminded by that because one of my tribe members, one of my people, I love you guys for sending me this type of information, said when I did my last prediction, like yesterday, on when I see a market crash and when I see the recession happening within the next year and a bit. And they said, oh, have you seen David Hunter? What you're saying is kind of along the line of what he talks about. He's an investment specialist. You can find him on YouTube. So I looked him up and I watched a whack of his videos. And I do like the guy. So let me recap. 2023 into 2024 is where we're going to find our recession. I believe it's going to start next month, which is February of 2023. But that's more of the banks admitting that there's a bankruptcy. What are they going to do? As David Hunter says, they're just going to start printing more money, which is a stupid mistake. There's consequences. That will lead us into my original prediction. 2030. Now, that's not rocket science because if you follow the work of the WEF, 2030 is their agenda. I don't endorse them, by the way. 2025 is our tipping point. Now, he did mention a little bit about 2025. That's when he saw a crash in the real estate market. I see that happening in May and June because interest rates are going to skyrocket. But I also see the effects of what they're doing with the digital ID in May and the changes that they're going to make with printing more money in February in August. So I believe that that's when the actual deflation, as David Hunter mentions, is going to begin in August of 2023. But 2024 is where we're all really going to feel it. 2025 is a tipping point. Why 2025? Well, it's astrologically. It has a lot to do with the planet Pluto, and what I am using as a predictory for this year is the planet Neptune. It's in a sign where our eyes are, the wool is being pulled over our eyes. But it's also for many people where they're realizing we've been living in a la-la land for a long time, and we got to get real. 2025 is a tipping point because it's when people can't handle it anymore. They can't take it anymore. They realize we can't continue with this suffering and live in a make-believe world. We've got to take control of our own lives. Namaste.